Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, helps make mapping out a logical question quite straightforward. And the question revolves around the fact that today was a good move. Now, I realize if you're a day trader and you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 10 seconds, then yeah, for you, the chart looks pretty rough. But from the big picture perspective, from where the price was yesterday to where it closed today, good solid move. But that does bring up the question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level. And that's why I love charts. It makes things very straightforward. And that level is down here at $1.25. Why is $1.25 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement that's truly strong is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $1.25. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down here. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, you still have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what truly strong moves do, right? They make progress in that upwards direction. So to me, $1.25, very important level of support going into next week. Ideally speaking, meaning Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? If the price can stay up above that pink line there, which is the 200 period simple moving average, that would by far make it look the best. But if it doesn't hold above it, you still do have that $1.25 mark. And then before I forget, like I said, each one of these represents 30 minutes. So you can see final 30 minutes here, kind of rough during this, final section of the day. Big red candle. Although on the plus side, it's not like volume was gigantic. So keep an eye on that. One candle doesn't make or ruin a chart, but that's definitely something to keep an eye on. So all in all, though, at the end of the day, good move. The price definitely made some progress. Now it's just a question of can the bulls build upon this progress next week? We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a great Christmas.